In this video today, so we are going to be performing arbitrage, right? So from one exchange to another, that is buying where it's low and sell where it's high. So I'm going to show you exactly on how to do this. But before we do this, let's grow this channel together. As you can see, this channel is 263 subscribers. So our main goal is for me to take this channel from these 263 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers. Now, once you are done subscribing, check on this video description. You are going to see our Telegram group. So our Telegram group is where we offer our crypto trading board services that trade arbitrage and triangular arbitrage for you, right? So which you can see over here. So all this review, you can see $12,620 was made with this crypto trading board for our user. And we also have forex trading board, and you can also see today this forex trading board made $1,164, right? Okay, now let's go. All right, so this is our Bybit exchange. So I'm going to be performing this transaction with this token called SVL USDT. So you can see in Bybit, the SVL is 0.034697 in Bybit exchange. So let's set to MEXC exchange so that we can see the price of SVL USDT in MEXC exchange. So you can see over right here. All right, so in MEXC exchange, the price here is 0.035035 over here. So you can see in Bybit exchange, right? The price is lower in Bybit, and you can see in MEXC exchange, the price is little bit higher in MEXC exchange. So my scanner has already shown me everything over here. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and place buy trade so that I can get this token called SVL USDT, right? So which you can see the price over here, right? So I'm going to place a buy now, right? $200. So which you can see it gives me 5,773 SVL USDT, right? So what I'm going to do now, right? So I'm going to head back to my MEXC exchange. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, right, which you can see over here. So let's head back to MEXC exchange. So so I'm going to place a sell trade on MEXC exchange, right? So once I place a sell, right, let me remove all this, right? So I now paste the 5,773 SVL. You can see it gives me $202.378288 in MEXC exchange. So you can see, remember we used $200, right? And you can see we have a profit of $2. That is 1% of this $200, right? I know you'll be complaining or asking about the fee. Don't worry, there is a fee, right? So now let me show you guys everything right now. So now this is my Bybit. So I'm going to come to withdraw. This is how to perform this transaction. Take note of this. So I'm going to search for SVL, right? So which you can see the SVL over right here, right? So right over here, I'm going to choose network, and you can see it only allow Mantel network, right over right here, and you can see the charges here is just 10 SVL over right here. Now let's go to our calculator, right? So don't forget that the price before was, okay, let me paste it, was 5,773 SVL minus 10 SVL. So it gives us 5,763 SVL USDT, right? So if you come over here, you minus this right here, then let me paste it here in my MEXC exchange, right? So remember this. So let me paste this in my MEXC exchange. You can see after minusing the charge, so this is what we are going to get, $202.02737728. You can see the profit that we have made. So another way for you to stay consistent is for you to keep doing this. And if you are looking for this arbitrage opportunity, kindly join our Telegram group. Then you hit admin. Admin is going to show you the token that you are going to subscribe. Another way for you to get access to this arbitrage premium signal. Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video.